Hello YouTubers, this is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama and I'm from workanywherenow.com. That is my blog website. I'm excited today to announce to you that I have a free training for you that you can check out and learn how to make money online. It's kind of like a guide from me, and I've been doing this for almost 2.5 years now. And I want to show you that you can really earn a full-time income if you build your online business right, and using strategies are proven, and using the method that I have followed for my journey. Okay, I have built this training series to show you how I've done it. I made last year with my website $40,000, and it is not typical, okay? Disclaimer here, okay? Just because you follow my training, it's not gonna magically make you also money. It requires a lot of hard work, a lot of learning, and it really requires your full dedication to build something that's worth having like this, okay? It's an incredible business to build because I generated all that income with free traffic. No advertising, if you could believe that. I did not spend one dime on any advertising to generate that 40,000 for my online business. And I'm a stay-at-home mom, guys. If I can do it, I think you can do it too. So if you want to follow my path and learn with me, because I am still learning, guys. I'm not done making money online. So I'm going to keep going, and I hope you learn with me, okay? So underneath this video you will see a link to my free training. It's called Little Mama's Money Making Guide, and I really hope to see you on the inside. Thank you.